Hello dear student, good morning all of you. Today we will learn about the image formation by lenses using ray diagrams. Okay, for that we will follow some rules by the convex lens as well as by the concave lens. Okay, the first rule you can see here, a ray of light traveling, a ray of light traveling parallel to principal axis. You can see here. Then after refraction through the convex lens passes through the second principal focus of the lens. Okay, this is the very simple rule. If the ray of light is traveling parallel to principal axis, then after refraction they will pass from the second focus of the lens. Okay, and the second rule you can see just opposite of the first rule, a ray of light which first passes through the first principal focus of the convex lens. You can see here a ray of light which first passes through the first focus of convex lens. After refraction, you can see here, after refraction travels parallel to principal axis. Okay, so both are opposite to each other, you can understood. And now you can see the third rule. If the light ray passing through the optical center, what will happen? A ray of light which passes through the optical center of a convex lens does not suffer any refraction. You can see here there is no any refraction. It passes through the lens without any deviation, means the light ray will pass in a straight line. There is no any deviation. If the light ray, suppose that we are following light ray on principal axis, then they will be strike with optical center and they pass only on principal axis. Okay, now you can see the rules for the concave lens. Same rules we will follow here. You can see first rule, a ray of light traveling parallel to principal axis of a concave lens after refraction, you can see here, after refraction appears, they just appears to come from its first principal focus. Okay, and the second rule you can see here for the concave lens, a ray of light initially traveling along the direction of second principal focus of the lens after refraction travels parallel to principal axis of the concave lens. Okay, and third one you can see here, same, there is no any deviation. A ray of light which passes through the optical center of a concave lens does not suffer any refraction. It passes through the lens without any deviation. There is no any refraction. The light ray will pass in a straight line. And in the same we have, if the light ray is moving on principal axis, they will strike on optical center and will pass in a straight. So three rules for the concave lens, convex lens, and three rules for the